Today we are taking a narrated walking tour of the Peak floor plan, a brand new home offered by Lennar Homes in Stewart Park at the Meadows of Castle Rock. The home we're touring today is a Lennar model home. So as we walk through, I will point out finishes and features that won't be included or offered in the home that you choose to purchase with Lennar. However, your brand new home will still be full of amazing upgrades. As you visit Lennar Homes, you'll notice the Everything's Included package right away. This means that unlike other builders in the area, you'll never have to spend tens of thousands of dollars above and beyond the base price of the home to upgrade the house the way that you want to have it. Almost everything that you could want is already included. The Peak floor plan has a very dramatic entryway with a soaring 2-story vaulted ceiling and a powder bath just off the front door for your guests. Upon entering, one of the first features you'll notice is this beautiful standard flooring called Luxury Vinyl Plank, or LVP. LVP has really gained a lot of popularity in homes of all price points over the last few years because of its extreme durability and because it provides the look that you've been searching for without having to spend thousands of dollars maintaining hardwood floors. The Peak family room is warm and inviting, has plenty of space for any furniture layout that you would like, and plenty of space for that big screen TV we know you're wanting. The stone wall you're seeing behind the television in this model home tour is not offered in the new Lennar home that you purchase, but there are so many fun and exciting ways to stage this for your own personal liking. The kitchen in the Peak model is a place that you will love to cook and everyone will love to gather. There's a stainless steel appliance package with a side-by-side refrigerator and gas range, granite slab counters in your choice of color, tons of upgraded cabinetry with crown molding also in your choice of style and color, and a sunny eat-in dining nook for more informal meals or gathering in big groups over holidays and special events. Don't miss the big pantry and also the ability for you to add the custom backsplash of your choosing. Tucked behind the kitchen is a very functional space called the owner's entry. You enter here from your garage and it makes a perfect place to sit down, take off your shoes, hang up your coats and backpacks, and keep that everyday clutter out of the way. It also makes a very short walk from the garage to the kitchen when you're carrying in groceries. One of the amazing available options on the Peak is the availability for a covered back deck. This makes your outdoor living usable 365 days a year. The Peak has an amazing loft that makes for a fabulous playroom, office space, home theater, game room, endless options for opportunities here. The Peak floor plan has a very unique and grand entrance to the master. The master is separated from the other bedrooms, but not so far away that everyone feels nervous. You'll love walking into this hallway that makes your master feel just a little bit more spacious and a little bit more special. The master suite is very luxurious with a decorative coffered ceiling, big picture windows streaming in natural sunlight, and plenty of room for any bedroom set that you like. The decorative feature wall behind the bed in this model home is not available in your new Lennar home, but again, that gives you endless opportunities for choosing your own decorating style. The 5-piece ensuite bath feels like a spa with a feature soaking tub, dual slab granite vanity, and a fully tiled shower with bench. Don't miss the oversized walk-in closet. All 3 secondary bedrooms are very spacious and share an adjacent full bath with a dual vanity and plenty of space for everybody to get ready in the morning together. This laundry room makes this everyday chore less of a bore. It's upstairs right alongside all of your bedrooms for convenience and has a ton of much needed storage space. The Meadows at Castle Rock is Douglas County's most desirable community because of its amenities. There's a community center called The Grange, multiple swimming pools, a splash pad, miles and miles of walking trails and parks, and very close proximity to downtown Castle Rock, which is America's favorite small town. There are activities happening in downtown Castle Rock all year long and absolutely amazing entertainment and dining opportunities. You're very close to the Denver Tech Center and Colorado Springs. Come visit today to see why everyone loves calling Castle Rock home. Lennar's Everything Included package really is the most comprehensive list of standard features you will find anywhere in town. All of these homes come standard with professionally landscaped front and backyards and whole home window coverings. Those will save you tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket when you go to move in. Lennar also frequently offers closing cost incentives through their preferred lender, Eagle Home Mortgage. So be sure to ask your salesperson for more details on what's available for you today. And don't miss the Lennar's Everything Connected home with smart home equipment you won't find anywhere else. To learn more about Lennar's new homes at the Meadows at Stewart Park in Castle Rock, visit www.lennar.com or call 303-416-5624 to make an appointment today.